Hi viewers, in this class I am going to discuss nomenclature questions which came in NTA 2019. Okay, let us see questions here. First question is the IUPAC name of the following compound is. We have a compound given, so we have to write the name. Okay, so in this case, in this molecule, first we have to find out the parent chain. That's why parent chain is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 5 carbons containing chain. Okay, right. Next, here how many functional groups are there? COOH functional group is there, OH functional group is there, and one substituent, that is methyl. When two substituents are present, when two main functional groups are present, in that case, according to the priority order, so we have to select one main functional group as a parent functional group. According to priority order, one functional group we are selecting as a main functional group. So here COOH, OH, between these two, COOH having more priority, so that's why COOH we have to select as a parent functional group. In this case, we have to start the numbering from COOH carbon, second carbon this one, third one, fourth one, and fifth one. First carbon, second carbon, third carbon, fourth carbon, and fifth carbon. At fourth position, one substituent, that is methyl. At third position, OH substituent is there. So this is a functional group, but in this case, two functional groups are there. That's why OH we are taking as a substituent. That means we have to take prefix, based on the priority order. For OH, prefix is hydroxy. For CH, prefix is methyl. At fourth position, methyl substituent. At third position, OH substituent is there. So while writing name, if you want to write the substituent, we have to follow alphabetical order compulsory. So here, which one will come first in the alphabetical order? Hydroxy will come. So that's why 3-hydroxy. 3-hydroxy. At fourth position, methyl is there. That's why 4-methyl. 3-hydroxy, 4-methyl. So total 5 carbons are there in the parent chain. That's why pent. So this is a saturated one. That's why pentane, N. For COOH. For COOH, suffix is oic acid. That's why we have to add that oic acid. The name of the molecule is 3-hydroxy 4-methyl pentanoic acid. That's why which option is correct here? C option is correct. Let us see next question which came in NTA 2019. The correct IUPAC name of the following compound is. Let us see here. 3 groups are present on the benzene. If you want to give the numbering for this compound, compulsory we have to follow the lowest sum rule. Here, if you give the numbering from this carbon 1, 2, 3, 4. First position on substituent, second position on substituent, fourth position on substituent. That will get 1 plus 2 plus 4. So totally 7 number will come. So if you give the numbering, in this way, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then what will come here? At first position on substituent, at fourth position on substituent, at sixth position on substituent, that will get 11 number. Next, if you give the numbering in this way, if you start from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. At first position chloro, at third position nitro, and at sixth position CH3 group. So total value 10. So if you give numbering in this way, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, first position, next second position, and fifth position, 5 plus 2 plus 1. So totally 8 will come. And again, some more possibilities are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If you give numbering here like this, first position, third position and fourth position, 4 plus 3 plus 1, totally 8 will come. So if you give numbering in this way, one more way, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, here you see first position one substituent, fourth position one substituent, fifth position one substituent. Okay, totally 10 will come. So in which way we are getting lowest? Okay, first way, 1 plus 2 plus 4. That's why lowest sum rule we have to follow. That means CH3 containing carbon should get first number. So here 1, here 2, here 3, here 4. Okay, 1 plus 2 plus 4, 7 number. Okay, which rule we have to follow? Lowest sum rule we have to follow. So write the name here. Okay, CH3 methyl, chloro, Cl is chloro, NO2 nitro according to alphabetical order. Okay, then at second position chloro, which will come in the alphabetical order first. Next, methyl is there, nitro is there. Which one will come first? Methyl will come. 2 chloro, 1 methyl, 2 chloro, 1 methyl. Okay, at fourth position nitro is there, then benzene. Okay, benzene. Clear? 3 chloro, 1 methyl, 4 nitro, benzene is the answer. Okay, so which option is correct here? 2 chloro, 1 methyl, 4 nitro, benzene. Option C is correct. So let us see next questions which came on IUPAC in NTA 2019. Okay, let's see remaining questions which came in NTA 2019. Okay, so what is the IUPAC name of the following compound? So in compound given, say this compound contain one double bond and a Br. First we have to find out the longest chain. So let us see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. First possibility 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the first possibility. Next, if you give number 1 for this carbon 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4 and this is 5. So which one is correct here? Okay, double bond should get least number, that is correct way. Okay, so that's why we have to follow 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So not like this. Okay, double bond should get least number, that is the correct way in this molecule. Clear? So write the name of this compound now. At fourth position Br substituent is there. At third position CH3 substituent is there. Okay, is there any other substituent? No. At third position methyl and at fourth position Br. That's why I write the name here 4-bromo. Okay, 4-bromo. Okay, 4-bromo and 3-methyl. 4-bromo, 3-methyl. Why we are writing bromo first? Because in the alphabetical order. Okay, B will come first. That's why 4-bromo, 3-methyl. So total how many carbons in the parent chain? 5 carbons. That's why what is the root word? Pent. Is it saturated or unsaturated? Saturated parent chain, unsaturated parent chain. That's why. Okay, which one we have to use? In, double bond is there. That's why in. Double bond present at which position? Second. Pent 2 in. Pent 2 in. Okay. 4-bromo. Fourth position bromo. That's why 4-bromo. 3-methyl. Okay. Pent. Total carbons 5. That's why pent 2 in. Double bond at second position. 4-bromo. 3-methyl. Pent 2 in. So that's why which option is correct here? D option is correct. 4-bromo, 3-methyl, pent 2 in is the correct answer. Okay. Let us see next question. The IUPAC name for the following compound is. Okay, here in this molecule, always you remember parent chain should contain multiple bonds compulsory. Okay, even though that violates, okay, more number of carbons in the parent chain. Okay, so let us say how many longest chain possibilities are there here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 7 carbons in this way, or 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So if you follow like this chain getting, okay, this chain getting multiple bonds, so that's why this one we have to select as a parent chain. Okay, this chain is the parent chain. In this way we have to give. For this parent chain, from where we should start the numbering? So definitely we should start numbering from the double bond according to the priority order. So double bond is more prior than the triple bond. So that's why, so I am starting numbering from this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and here 7. So totally 7 carbons are there in the parent chain. Always select a parent chain which contain, okay, multiple bonds. Okay, right. In this, at third position, one methyl substituent is there, and also at fifth position one methyl substituent is there, and at fourth position one propyl substituent is there. 1 2 3, that is propyl. Okay, so let us write the name here. Here propyl, here 2 methyls. So which one will come first in the alphabetical order? Methyl, MNOP. Okay, M will come first in the alphabetical order. That's why we should write here like this. 3, 5 dimethyl. 3, 5 dimethyl. Okay, 3, 5 dimethyl, and 4 at fourth position propyl group is there. That's why 4 propyl. 4 propyl. So totally how many carbons are there in the parent chain? 7 carbons. That's why hept. So then write the primary suffix here. At first position double bond, and at sixth position, okay, triple bond is there. That's why, so when double bond, triple bond present, even though it is first priority, while writing this double bond and triple bond, we have to follow alphabetical order. So that's why hept 1 in, hept 1 in at first position double bond, hept 1 in, and 6 ine. Okay, 3, 5 dimethyl at third position, and fifth position 2 methyl groups are there. Then 4 propyl at fourth position propyl group. Next total carbons in the parent chain 7. That's why hept. Okay, at first position in is there, and at sixth position triple bond. That's why ine. Okay, so total name is 3, 5 dimethyl, 4 propyl, hept 1 in, 6 ine. That's why which option is correct here? This option is correct. Okay, so like this we can give nomenclature for organic compounds.